I'm here with Adam with ConnectSense. Tell us about some of the new products.
Sure. So this fall we're launching our in-wall outlet, which is available in both 15 and 20 amps. It has both detailed power monitoring capabilities, so it can measure power within a 1% accuracy. And with that power data, we can tell you which of your plug-in devices are using too much energy. We can also tie that to your utility and give you accurate cost data for what different things in your home are actually costing you. We integrate with HomeKit, Alexa, and Google Assistant. Some other unique things, we also have capacitive touch buttons rather than any physical buttons on the device. So makes it very simple, and also the nice thing about that is for safety reasons, as well as convenience reasons, you can lock out those capacitive touch buttons to make it, so people can't actually physically control the device.
Great. And it works, both outlets are programmable.
Yes, both outlets are controllable, and we're also uniquely measuring the power on each individual outlet.
And you said you have both, you have a 20 amp as well?
Yep, so this was the 15 amp. Here's the 20 amp that we're demoing as well. And I can show you the capacitive touch, so you just do a double tap here. This one we might have locked out. Okay, so we're showing our feature over here. So what you were seeing here is I have the physical controls disabled. Can't do anything with it. If I re-enable them, then we can turn it on and off with the double tap. So one of the other things we wanted to do here was make it as easy as possible to set up this device. So we are using NFC for provisioning, and we're one of the first to do that in the HomeKit ecosystem. So you literally just tap the device here, and you can see that it's ready for pairing.
All right, Adam. Thank you very much.
All right, thank you.
Thank you for joining us here in Denver at the CEDIA Expo to check out all the latest smart home technology. You can find more information about the company we visited and their products in the information box below. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And for more smart home stories, visit appbyhome.com.
Thank you.
Thank you.